9 obekaya enra nienya adaje ye all the exclusive interviews enra Praga Riders Association pay for eba studio han mo se saso ena yene the PRO for the Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly mame Herita Abuaje edi enkomo eno pay saso kwa homa no so nienya a better understanding of the Praga issues no. Now there are several reports, I don't know whether they are misleading reports to say KMA are holding on entirely. Or in fact, I'm watching a decision I'm making in the Krana as a much than you know who it is. I'm watching almost someone you be cry. But as to say, sanity, dear, you call Madison near starting in the Encobo. Yeah, I mean, Herita, I've been watching Akoma at the Akoma 87 points. Now, me did Eddie JB. Now, I want to find out, and I know the Komo Marker say KMA as an assembly more holding on with the decision or the directives of Modiama the Praga for an effective Friday. But the other report say to say the more cancel the Akoma FM 87. What is the reality?
Actually, my name is now. Before that, I was coming to say. Clearly, I can't say I said your man gave I think you have to reach that statement. To tell the whole assembly say I'm going to
I made a statement. And so don't take the context.
You should be honest. That as a KMA call man gave I can't say that.
No.
I can't say that to the whole media, you know. So you can also say same to KMA.
No.
I think it's in that case. That comment is in that case.
No, Herita, what I said was that
Akoma
decision sign and someone holding on. And I said, I made a specific yes, be amazing. Yes, what I said was that.
My brother, it's not in good taste. Because we think as Akoma FM, I dare moving. What I mean with the way it is a bad taste.
No, so but if I tell you, sir, if I say, more make any directive, more holding on with the directive, and now I said we are much directive, let the sign. Now say because say, who you are. I mean, is anything wrong with that?
No,
that is not the understanding. Please, that is not the understanding of what I said.
That is the understanding I have gotten as a rep of KMA, and I'm telling you that that comment now passing my and say the decision by the General Assembly of KMA. Yeah, and I'm saying that we are not happy about it.
Very well, but I'm sorry. That is not.
If you just have to retract it,
wait, I'm sorry, that is not the understanding I was trying to create. Apologies for that.
87.9 Kumasi.
Right. Because say in community so far I've been the one talking, I'm not a convener for transport. And Koma idea for one thing in say the assembly taking decision say effective 15th of June. Your tricycles are who draw a central business district and yes there on the more wedding about hobby. No or more developing a year in the room zones on between and bar aiding a sea. Now so embassy home or more intimate to us to be. And the sign cut to us to say, it's not a directive, let's say, a stakeholder engagement. A form stakeholder engagement in delay. Now, it's not say, I am to say, I'm Christian, and also be the cattle, Yamukachi and man, and I mean, into chief executive, when I was sometimes say, some of the engagement, you know, my uncle, uncle, not dates, no, you're holding on, never mind new dates. Not in any of the interactions with any media house, Maka say, yeah, postponed. Because I said, because engagement in the as I say, engagement in ECOSO, it can say latest by the end of the month today. And I said, they are every month in the chief executive, never mind your new data, it will take full force. Now, if I say anything, said you link it and who baby who say a poetry or matty, now, yes, you try my now watching, I don't my can't say. Na emrano so yes as an assembly you say so many panitia or done a hospital than say or over 40 and sign a 70. watching my acting. It is Anna and commodity made aqua, and I say assembling I sending a decision. No, we still hold on say basic effect. No, no, you did say it was some commodity for you, Kakra, and meeting Abanesa.
So far, I have a wedding come out could do Money Praga Riders Association. Mon common aqua could dream.
My reference radio, transport committee for the transfer medium, and medium combo. It was so. You sure say I shall let you in some other cost. It has a man, maybe a chief executive, and that's all that's it, and that's a full force.
I see. But then our engagement with them, Omo reveal is the KMA F3 or more just to give them the directive, not to engage them in any discourse.
Oh, yeah, more directive. You see, a honey, however. You have to not lose sight of the fact that one, only an illegal entity nationally. If there's anything, they should put up a proper conversation nationally. They are affected more. Now you're binding in every assembly. But aside that, as an assembly, your mandate say they will be in a course of your jurisdiction. An assembly not taking decisions there. Your central business district. This now your bed, yeah, central business district there. Yeah, mama. I say so you share crew BTS to class as others now. Almost me I in Pandia, almost central business district no almost go back to a certain extent. If you mean say then any for the job mojuma. And Kumasi Kakake, which you could be name point A and 87.9 directive. They are allowed to put out or more concerns. But then it was a decision of General Assembly. It was taken into but who put say or best say God's no or or they should take opportunity somewhere educating and dance on the straight away. And this will be an family so or disregard them which form so. They take into consideration. When stakeholder will in Africa will be and the report and come chief executive say it's unsaid delay. Then go say Mukanya adjusting your mood in a honor. Say yes, I say. It's out of fairness and out of respect. And I was some fine. I explained this
87.9 Kumasi.
Nanka insert a fair or Mukampo. So any day assembly, and then I was some fine every more community, and a salary in the corridor, Eddie Akoso. So I say, and maybe me a friend and a phone, and I say, I do. But you say, no minute.
But so KMA recognizing the Praga Riders Association and when it comes to revenue mobilization in your books, Sakofo way etia toward the KMA now.
Pachopi. Obia etia to amount to me why need the time it's for revenue.
87.9
Mangana I bought assembly bia who by say obi bia or your trading activity so tiasa so won say so as far as what would your reduction and mama will kwan say uji one ho there's a agency or Jessica there's an agency or enforce say baby away and so and after we say there are two distinct things it is a me Jessica and Koji na feel say baby away no kwa the report was ready to because this is point A na point A for me she say nka obuko bia and the bebo na relate to it's a different all things together. And as far as local government and Ramitiano, you know, what specific jurisdiction Diano, and we are also the money. And senior, so what can you do in Musicadia? What is me, FOA in Krata? As a customs and at the end of the day, GR Bejinica, there's a customs for the back with a car, your chauffeur, car here, which means GR back and say, Oka Jessica because my tax of unaffected. No, you're
very well. Now, so, you were comparing Kumasi to Sunyane and other places, other regions, or what me implemented directive women eboa the assembly. Now, have you also recognized the illegal entity riders or more a new normal, and we can adopt it and look for a better way to regulate them rather than restricting them from the central business districts?
So, commodity say, was pushing nationally because we know say the actually not so 5 automatically you say what fabro so If I'm saying, a man train say, or the funny pastor. So, not train say, yeah, or capacity, which my for 12, which my for 10, and I area 14, depending on availability of seat or carning. If I may say, nationally, I say, privately used, not for commercial purpose. In the design of offering. Because a man knew a guy this idea, no. A man knew a chest also for two, also for say, if I say, my money, and they say, privately used. I think the conversation should be pushed up higher up early. Not a just more slow home. Many now so say it's a bit to trade. Nothing or better transport department.
87.9.
Hello, Herita.
Hello.
But you're with me a position here, Kakrama.
Yes,
I think it's better now. I think it's online they are very bad, but I mean Obesan position who you can I think say we there, yeah.
No, so no more apply the taxi for the day to Santasi and answer or call a worker now quarter from the going to a union or now a permit by the assembly. It will be a permit from the assembly to approve. Don't you know more permit?
I see, but interestingly, I mean, it has become part of us, and the assembly.
I'm not saying
of course, absolutely, but the assembly is the highest decision-making body. Kumasi, the greater Kumasi, for that matter. It's the decision be assembly and be taken be binding to the people of Kumasi and the greater Kumasi as such. It's me point then say argument and person making say yes, they are nationally they are an illegal entity and yet recognized by law, but locally it has become part of us. Can't we look for a new measure or a new way? I bet me adopted these people. Niamo a better education like the Diama Trotro for the Diama taxi for any online drivers, any other transport operators for Nayentimi and regularizing or more operations to making sure that never be no more who's away. It is a no like to send the taxi drivers for the trotro drivers for Yediamomi.
For example, it's now like into smoking of weed and all those things. Now, of late, there's an argument say, generating revenue, but the apex cost of the land today, it's no, KMA, who say, think a move away, if you can move as an assembly, you're called passing law, now inquire, yes, solicitor, and my revenue, it will be going contrary. And that is how it is. And say, your per se, women in the Mema, MA, a German, or mother kind of home, yes, it's the other as India, for them at the national level, generate a conversation. No trust so that you're able to make pushing it up. Because our mind, I think, you need to mean fire power, as KMA and Cathay or Joe or more day, actually. It's the same. That's a memo. So we the example. No, so humanity. Now, so you for the Jew because the Jew relation but we fall under local government, which falls under the border umbrella. It is Jimmy and Musa.
And I understand, but local government is starting in raising this matter up. But the assembly is directly affected in its operations. In local government in do you have to go strictly according to the way the national position would take, rather than say Yebeshema assembly no so taking its course and to take advantage of it?
Assembly while we happen in MLC, the Central Business District and on Polo. Any other area or assembly I think the assembly has been fair enough. And that's the only KMA. And that's the 5,000 meters that makes a KMA. Mencia, so back to Mencia South, Mencia North, should be a new film or so that near bar to a point. One can say, name Momukra and I see KMA. I think the assembly now is to be louder. Maybe going forward, instead of using force and others, they can go with an approach, an appeal, make a solid point, devoid of insult, devoid of anything partisan. Now, Umaba, now I'm going Friday, Akasa, oh, Edia, when discipline, I buy a Mukai, your social disregard for traffic regulations are Mukai, and if there will be behavior, yes, you say, you're between you say, send a mayor, moving him, and mobile media, the decision I'm taking, Kazima Assembly, ever reverted, Edia May, you are ready to say you lay ABCD. No, I'm also taking it up, no more, I then arguing him. No more who say, the Mukai, so I'm tired of until then, the decision said, no member central business district is what holds.
But he also says, a Honumuna, Sikanewo.
But I need the making the argument for it. And I also need to directly blame why the bar, Enco, any day, ATL will be, ATL will be, will be.
Interesting. Do you have any idea about when Sampai Bay and Adris Obey meet you when I saw the news?
Stakeholder engagement, according to into the transfer task committee, you have to report to him, say, Patrol, and I say, we do an advance, we say, to listen. It is likely, say, if you are next week, listen, as okay.
87.9 Kumasi.
Buamio, Sisia. Pragya Riders Association, Mona more expect to say on Beba Mohode new proposal be the Amama Nasa Mobile.
Baby, who put your question say? Almost say a honor of musica.
Yes,
and I make a say. So, Susan, who know musica. I don't see, and I won't kind of human, don't put in the thoughts together. Not all have on the book appointments with management. So, Pacho, Mama, you say ABCD, that's a reality. Can you say, and can say. That is another thing that they can present an alternative.
No, I understand. The question was in reference to the general issue discussion. General discussion. And I mean, say now, more engage you, more directive. Naka to you, whatever you say, and your kind and say, Naka, and who in your say you will engage them. Naka, no some directive need more. Naka, mu implementing more directive. But it is fair for the assembly to engage them, give them the new roadmap and the new directives. And I mean, say. As it stands now, one more expert to say, if you're okay, we want a clear roadmap, and we are also willing to adhere to your plans, your policies, and programs. And I say, directives are more the my and now so say, be more, and now more from say, program for Mumra. Apart from the restriction, I'm wrestling the person mudiso, a better regulation in their activities.
Okay. Many can say the decision now is to make sure that Akoma Central Business District, now we do point to the now Akoma back. The agency for the my say your concession DB IM ABCD every among the old one now and expanded. It is a and come for the bar. We are sure that transport department fast so far mono. It doesn't show then after ABM. No, can say the old one and a hoodie, a scientific executive, that I say, maybe a 30th June, and I am a Nishasi, and I say 26, of him.
Finally, more consider the Pragya for now, we use the highway, the risk involved, any other factors, accidents, any other nuisance, cost, especially on the highway, rather than the central business district.
But this is my proposal. A transfer subcommittee was on the central business district. I go through various committees and they approve. A whole anyone can. I'm sure that all discussions will be me about it. This me very attention to it, and I very attention to it. You can think about it. You say your way, now say you include it or no come on. It is me included, but for now the central business district and a directive now.
Very well, but to be fair to you, maybe my position is that I would rather prevent them on the highway than the central business district, because central business districts need the slow movements in and out, to and flow, and of course you rare a doom CC and I say KJTSC and or more cost traffic MTT for the year where. And some of your task force members in the aware, which they know for a fact, and your truck drivers and the taxi drivers. Yes, the Pragya people can be, they cannot be exempted from it. But on the highway, highway, the level of speed that cars call, and the weight of the Pragya, and then so forth. And from Accra to me too, ama obi kura bo atumi akwakoto for mapra na se wahwere ne nkwa. I don't know if you can probably take it to consideration na motumi ahwe this very particular point na motumi analyze the year. I think sebeboa.
Pacheyo.
Very well. Mami na wasi na no pay for your time. Na bibi chiri adwebesa afro na anywhere di honkomo.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Very well. Henrietta Abuaje the PRO at the Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. In fact, what she is saying in say decision and I say adwopa omofa say pragiafo no restricted to the Central Business District, you know. So that decision is still on hold. The only difference is that time I dear mom say mama mo ko hodo mo te say bia from Friday edi ko mama mo si hodo mo no eno na the chief executive yes sampan edi ne nurse so aka say okay opeso ye extra further and better consultation even though the assembly has adopted it on wajia tum na sefo but opeso no so ye no ada na just say ohun kwa betimi dia fa so